Hey, what's going on? We're back on the range today and we're seeing how bulletproof duct tape is. All right, so today we're testing out duct tape. You know, you never know when it hits the fan and you're gonna have to find armor of some kind. Say you find, I don't know, 500 rolls of duct tape laying around. Well, we're gonna see if it's bulletproof. We got one, you know, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go through. We got 25 layers of duct tape, 50 layers of duct tape, 100 and 150. We're gonna see how much layers of duct tape it takes to stop a 9mm. I mean, I like the new SIG. Been carrying it for like, I don't know, 3 weeks. Super accurate, dude. Like, look at that. It's so accurate. I love it. All right, we're back at 3 yards. We're gonna see how, this is never gonna work, but we're gonna try it anyway. All right, let's just see if I can even hit the duct tape from here. All right, we'll be good. 1 layer of duct tape. Yeah, man, that went right through.
Easy, right through.
2 layers, or no, not 2 layers, we'd be here forever. All right, 25 layers of duct tape.
I do believe that went through.
That would be so awesome if it didn't go through.
25 layers, that would...
You could like make a vest out of, that went through. Okay. Yeah. Go get that little poker thing you have. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that'd be smart.
We could poke through and see if it went through. So, right now, 25 layers is not gonna protect you from 3 yards. Got this little poker tool so we can see if it went all the way through. Again, everybody, we're shooting at a rubber backing here, so everything is nice and safe. All right, ready? 50 layers of duct tape. Nice. All right. I'm hoping 50 stopped it. I don't think it did, though. Nope. Didn't stop it.
It didn't?
Nope. All the way through. But.
Oh, I guess duct tape's not a good,
that one didn't
armor,
go
sadly.
All right, so
Sorry to tell
50 did not stop it. All right, let's go to 100. 100 layers of duct tape. All right, let's see what we got. Oh man, I hope it stops it. It'd be so cool to make a vest out of duct tape.
I think it went right through.
It went right through. All right, 150 layers of duct tape. If you see the dirt back there jump, then let me know, because then I don't have to sit here and poke at it. 150 layers of duct tape.
Yeah, it went right through.
Damn it.
Went right through.
150 layers. Okay, well, this tells us a bunch of stuff. Don't make a vest out of duct tape. It's not going to protect you from crap, okay? So if it ever hits the fan and China's coming over or whatever, find a vest, an actual vest. Cool? This is never going to work.
See how thick that is?
I think you'd need probably 300 or 400 layers, and that would mean like you'd be walking around like this. All right, so 150 layers, no good.
So now we have 300 layers of duct tape right here.
All right, so 300 layers of duct tape. I mean, that's pretty thick. Well, we'll see what happens. All right, here we go. 300 layers of duct tape. Wait, we didn't label it. Did it go through? Did you see the dirt jump?
It's hard to tell with rubber.
Oh, I think it's in there. It caught it.
No way. Just about 300 layers then.
2 holes there. Is that like 2 holes? Damn it. All right, screw it. 325.
325.
325 layers of duct tape. All right. Yeesh.
Well, it dropped.
Nope, went through.
Ah,
Damn it.
Don't use duct tape as
Dude,
armor.
it would be like so big. Wait. 325, 326.
326. That extra one will help.
You never know. Maybe
it's going to make the
it'll stop
difference.
it. You never know, man. 326. Well, we put an extra piece of 327.
I didn't see the dirt move.
That'd be really funny if it
Nah,
was
I went
here.
through.
Damn it! All right. 326, 7 layers of duct tape did not stop it. So don't use a duct tape vest. Makes sense? I mean, kind of, yeah, whatever. I was just really hoping it would stop it. Even on one layer, how cool would that be? Like, hey, military, I got something we could use. All right, well, that sucks. All right, so everybody knows how strong dirt is at stopping bullets, right? So what we're gonna do is, I filled this Zin can full of dirt. You wanna see it? Cool, it's full of dirt, sand. Everybody knows how much of a pain in the butt it is to get into a Zin can, so maybe it'll stop it. We don't know. I don't know. We're gonna try it though. So a Zin can full of dirt and 1 layer of bulletproof duct tape is gonna make this work. All right? This should work. Oh, I need 1 round. I'm out. Why is it all sweaty? All right. 1 Zin can full of dirt, 1 layer of duct tape, 3 yards exactly. Ah. All right, that didn't work either. If you guys have any suggestions for bulletproofing anything, let me know. We'll make it, we'll shoot it. We'll try to figure this out of how to come up with some kind of bulletproof alternative. Duct tape. Whatever, dude. 327 rolls of duct tape, plus the roll it came off of. This should totally work.
There we go. Cody with the
Dude, now we're
320
thinking.
IQ.
All right, 327 layers of duct tape, and then the roll. I don't know how many layers are in that roll.
I'm gonna guess like probably puts it up to like 500.
All right, here we go. 1,000,000 rolls of duct tape. Oh my gosh. We shot that round.
Always keep it loaded.
Damn it. Whatever, dude. I could have did that. All right, here we go. Yes, please. Damn it!
It went right
God,
through.
kidding me. Man, duct tape sucks. It sucks. Whole thing sucks. All right, whatever. Duct tape sucks. Zin cans full of dirt suck. I don't know, man. All right, well, so duct tape doesn't work at all for bulletproofing anything. So it went straight through the whole roll, plus 327 layers of duct tape. And then it probably still had a lot of energy afterwards. Anyway, don't use duct tape as bulletproof for anything. So if you got any recommendations on what you want to see shot that you think is bulletproof, let me know. We'll take it out here, we'll freaking make it, and then we'll shoot at it. And then you'll have your answer for when it hits the fan, what to put on your chest. Cool? Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the range.
Today we're gonna figure out if a shovel is bulletproof.
The duct tape wasn't. Let's see if the shovel is. My armor-piercing 9mm rounds. All right, we got our shovel bad guy there. He's got our AR-500 target, obviously at a hostage situation here. I'm hoping, because the shovel's not made out of AR-500, I'm really hoping this doesn't come back at me. You should always shoot AR-500 steel, but we're just gonna freaking do it. I think it stopped it. Dude, shovels are bulletproof.
Actually stopped it. Wow.
Yes. All right, so this goes to tell me that if it hits the fan and it was a 9mm fight, you could just wear a shovel around.